know say them bad and can't defeat me do. I know, we no take disrespect and no summer grow.
Hey, see right now, I saw me a starting. Listen, and we got the flows. Like when Pat say, who knows? Ask who me, how we brought the shows. Them gal pussy wet in her clothes. Me have the post them with 2 packs and the gillas and the never find, but never mind. He got me another time. Me have couple head already, but the gal want give me another mind. She was putting me up to the another. Say me straightness. Turn something in a bank up, 6 months a crank up, bust it and cut. Watch out now, no this juice land where shoot and shell man. Bullet will kick you like loot and shell gun. Execute the boot and hey, you know what? You a pussy on your mother. Why you gunshot? I put a ticky on your bladder. So up it like that about this and your brother. Because you two mix up like a rugger. If you choke like now, it's going to kiss you like dada. What if you make a man kiss you like Shabba? Stay from the caterpillar, you know? I tell you that, I'm not mix man that, I'm not look man, none time. You see me? Straight and plain. I've gone through me a bumbo classic. You go kill somebody, pass me gun me, you go kill somebody. Intricate, you go kill somebody. Pass, what you know? The ratted, pay with the ratted. Pan me know that like the back of the ratted. And I know come down. Postman move to the class him down. Mocha Diamond say you are the walking tongue. I stand him never only walking tongue. And him have to create that like the rasi. Hey, member!
And if you shell them down, bring me a scale them.
What you this time me don't say them run through me out like the flames when he hear them. Listen me, remember you want a gunman. And I Michelle this sheep where you come from. Lucky, look me in a mirror. Lucky, me skull shit, me no talk long. And if I shot, me no ask man. The 6 skull and no rastan. The last man, 6 skull when me bust it and cut that. Watch out, now listen lyrics now, yo. Bumbuckler, watch out, listen me. This 16 bomb a beat on street. Left boy underneath 6 feet, roads and lyrics. Leather suit well look neat. Another blood clot, earth a drive down St. John Street there. HK bomb a knock in I'm head. 16 left a blood clot crack in I'm head. Tippy up, pop in I'm leg. Me pop in I'm leg. Put it up under the black in I'm head. But I hear me go
Big clash, come. See? You see when you clash, never you put your hand on your opponent. Don't physically touch anybody. See? Secondly, if I'm more consistent forward than you, your lyrics them bad. And you think, but it's like you're coming to the clash overconfident. Yeah, you underestimate your opponent. Probably you go and go the rest of the time, then you feel like you have it locked. And even not depend that. So, they give the vote. Manga.
Footers, you will learn something here. You see the first 4 lines. Somebody fear go. Yeah. The next artist will feel bad in the first 4 lines. If you get forward, the first. So you move like a talk show, you forward a while ago. The dog said, him come to clap it and cut. Bumbo blood clap. What out? Yo, you see that? The dog not pick up and knock like oh, pananak. Yo, the man knock. Yo, the youth are cool. I don't not skill cool. Big up yourself, my artist. But the youth are, the man, I see him start alone, him win from the start.
I know some say them bad and can't defeat me do. I know, we no take disrespect and no summer grow. We still a live by that law, but man no take back one.